goodness, it's a big day. We got our first turkey egg. Look at that. Thanks, girls. You did good. Are you bored? See this little black section on Frederick's back? I was wondering the other day if that gets wider as they get older for the tabby cats. Because I've noticed that Frederick's little line has gotten wider and wider. And I wonder if that comes with age. I'll have to look it up. What do you think? Frederick is Scout's buddy. They're good pals. One little Polish hen is all the way over here, all by herself. Girl, come back. Come here. What are you doing over here? Come on. Come on. Yep. Let's take you back over here with your group. I'm sitting here with this little chickie and Frederick. Both of them want to sit in my lap. Well, I don't think she does. Frederick does. And I'm just holding her for a minute so she can relax. She's really pretty. She'll come right up to me and I can pick her up pretty easily. She's a good girl. She's probably the easiest one to catch. Hi, Frederick. Frederick wants to sit in my lap too, but this chicken. Oh. Whoops. Did you do that, Freddy? She's a good girl. Okay, here it is. I got a cat and a chicken in my lap at the same time. Frederick. Oh, Frederick, you love her? Oh, my. I don't think I have ever held a chicken and a cat in my lap at the same time, but it's happening right now. And it is peaceful. Cuddling up to this little chicken. Here it is. Can't believe it. You're being such a good sport. And Frederick, you're just being Frederick. Friendly Frederick. This is really happening.